Good morning, good morning. Welcome in, welcome in. Yesterday we ran the Stellar Rose. Excellent switch. I've been really liking it. I low-key don't even want to take them out of this board because they're so fun to type on. They're quite enjoyable. But we got to put the mirror switches in. So I'll go be taking out the Stellar Rose to try the mirrors. These are the higher clack version. These are the deep clack, which I really like. Check out the video if you haven't already. It's really good. Today we're looking at mirror switches. So these guys are blue, kind of look like clouds. Similar colorway. 3.5 millimeter total travel. So these are more long pole than the ones yesterday. Shorter travel distance. Also lighter spring, 42 grams versus 45. So we'll see how that runs. Notably, to make the clack, these have POC stems. I believe the Ghost Dragons also use POC stems. So the POC will give you lots of clack, which is what we normally typically associate with the OG HMX that we like here. So this should be a pretty good build. Don't mind my jank editing as I disassemble this board and get the mirrors in. Just in case you didn't see yesterday's video, this will be the unboxing. This is the retail packaging. Same as the ones from yesterday in all Akko packaging. Come in these nice trays, no bent pins. You can use these as lube trays. They're molded to the tops and the bottoms. So when you're lubing, you can use these for the tops and these for the bottoms. You can keep them all separate, one to one, for your broken in switches when you're lubing. Very nice switch. Where's my stem holder? You can see the Akko branding on the top here. In the housing, in the mold. Very nice. Polished plastics, just like the Cream Pros, the blue ones. Very nice. Here's how they sound. Put a cap on it. It's a GMK cap that Alex designed for the CMK meet 2 years ago. Maple syrup for the Canadians. Definitely clacky. Alright, so let's move on with the build. Got the Sakuras coming out. TX switch puller, kind of goated. You can load them up like a wire cap puller. 4 or 5 at a time. Pretty fun. Populating the board. Very pretty switches. I like them. Pretty colors. They really nailed the pink and the blues. I like it. Ribbon cables. The first Neo Pogo would be nice. They need to make a V2 of this with the magnetic Pogo connections. That'd be nice. Would be really nice is a Neo60 copper version, like they're doing on the 75s. That would be an instant cop for me. All copper bottom Neo60. HHKB. Now we're talking. Okay, so for caps, I figured because these are blue, we're going to go with Yeeti. I think Yeeti is going to be similar blue. I just got to go grab it. All right, I found my Yeeti. It's on my one of my Envoy builds. This will be a good match for these switches. Blue and blue. Cream looks like it matches with this white pretty good. Beautiful. This was previously built with Twilights on Palm for my Envoy. So in theory, this should be pretty good too. This will be mirrors on CF. Also with Yeeti. Very nice, on theme. All right, let me continue this build. Turn off this light. There we go, and I can really see the colors. Really nice match for these switches. Even though you can't see the switches once the board is built, but it's always kind of fun to build matching boards. All right, here we have the finished build. So these mirror switches. I think it looks pretty sharp. Goes with this milky white, all right. White on blue on white is always nice. It's a nice softer build. Matches the switches. All right, let's see how she sounds. Okay, so we've got the Neo65. We've got the clackier version of the HMX, Akko HMX collab. These are the mirror switches. They have a POC stem, PA12 top, modified nylon bottom, no foams, carbon fiber plate, and here we go. Lucky type. Okay, once again, we've got the mirror switches from Akko X HMX collab. Please ignore the construction noises coming from outside. This is a CF plate, no foams, GMK Yeeti on the Neo65. Here we go. Honestly, excellent. Excellent. Pretty much like any of the OG HMXs. Zin Highs, Sunset Gleams, Macchiatos, Blue Topaz, Lotus, all the OGs. This is right up the alley in the same range. Types well. Very, very, very reminiscent of Zin Highs. I never tried Clouds, but I'm sure it's in those range with Swift. Very nice. I think Akko nailed it. Both these switches are a buy from me. Both the Mirror and the Stellar Rose. HMX collab. Very solid switches. I like them both. They're both excellent in this board with the carbon fiber plate. And grab them direct from Akko. The link is in the description. You can also grab them on Amazon and AliExpress. I believe they're $13 or 31 cents a switch. Solid, 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 solid. Thank you, Akko, again for sending these out to me. I'm going to run these in my Envoy as well, and maybe some of my other hot swap boards. This deep one really surprised me. I really like it. This one is just like every other OG HMX. One more time for you guys. Once again, I apologize if the mic's picking up the construction noises outside. Usually if I do these late at night, it's a lot better, a lot quieter. But I thought I'd get this content out to you guys as fast as I could. Enjoy.